Ingredients: 1 spoon honey, soothes the throat. 1 pinch black pepper powder, clears mucus. 1 pinch clove powder, fights infection. Mix well and consume for fast relief. This remedy helps with dry cough, sore throat, and congestion. Try it now and share your experience in the comments.